In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert file in Microsoft OneNote. This quick method works on the desktop app for both Windows and Mac, and generally in the OneNote web app too. We're going to attach a copy of a file directly to a page so it shows up as a clickable icon you can open anytime. Start by opening OneNote and navigating to the page where you want the file to live. If you prefer a clean workspace, you can create a new page first, then place your cursor roughly where you want the file icon to appear. Next, look to the top of the window and select the Insert tab. This is where OneNote keeps all the tools for adding extra content to your notes. From there, choose File Attachment. In some versions, it may simply be labeled File. This opens a file chooser window on your computer. Browse to the file you need, select it, and then click Insert to bring it into OneNote. You can attach many common file types: Word documents, PowerPoint decks, Excel workbooks, PDFs, and more. If OneNote asks how you want to add the file, choose Attach File. This option places the file on your page as an icon and stores a copy inside your notebook. It's different from options like inserting a printout or linking to a cloud location. Attach File is ideal when you want a portable, all-in-one note that travels with the file embedded. Once it's inserted, you'll see the file appear as an icon with its file name. Double-click that icon to open the file in its default app, like Word for .docx or Adobe Reader for PDFs. Because the file is stored in the notebook, keep in mind that larger attachments can increase notebook size and may take longer to sync, especially if you're sharing the notebook or using OneNote on the web. If you're working in a browser, expect the file to download or open in the associated online viewer. You can move the icon anywhere on the page by dragging it, and it's a good idea to add a short note next to it, explaining what the file is for. If the file name is long, consider renaming the file on your computer before attaching it so the icon label stays tidy. That's all there is to it. Open OneNote, go to Insert, pick File Attachment, choose your file, click Insert, and confirm Attach File. You now have a neat, clickable file icon right in your notes.